It's no secret that applying to colleges is a stressful, demanding, and anxiety-ridden process, especially in a world where admission standards are rapidly changing. A solid GPA and stellar test scores no longer guarantee success, and acceptance rates have been declining year after year after year. In this competitive climate, a student's personal statement and supplemental essays have never been more important. However, when asked to write about themselves, many high school seniors don't even know where to begin. Luckily, Learn to Write Now is here to help with our innovative college admission essay workshops. Led by our experienced coaches, this series of 3 8-week courses break down the complicated application process into easy-to-manage steps while providing students with the guidance and support they need to confidently navigate every written component of their college application. Not only that, we also provide students with personalized feedback and hold them accountable at every stage, ensuring that their applications are completed in a timely manner and to the best of their ability. So, how does it work? The first workshop in our series, Pre-CAE, teaches students how to research schools, build a balanced college list, and secure letters of recommendation. This workshop gives students the kickstart they need, inspiring them to develop the self-reflection and discipline required to compose a stellar application that presents the best and brightest version of themselves. The next workshop, CAE1, focuses on the all-important personal statement. Our coaches help students brainstorm, draft, and revise an essay that truly reflects who they are and what makes them unique. We'll also cover other essential components such as activity lists and resumes to make sure their entire application shines. The final workshop in the series, CAE2, focuses on composing supplemental essays. With the average student needing to write between 12 and 20 essays during the application cycle, this workshop is a can't-miss opportunity. We'll teach students how to respond to the most common prompts and how to tap into their creativity to make authentic and memorable connections with admission committees. All 3 of our courses taken together will ensure that your student stands out from the crowd and makes a strong impression. Not only that, your student will learn project management and communication skills, which will serve them well beyond the college application process. As always, Learn to Write Now is committed to helping your child achieve their dreams. Sign up for our college admission essay workshops today and give your student the tools they need to succeed now and in the future.